Okay guys, so welcome to another video of speed sculpting, and in this part I sculpted an ear, and this sculpt took me around 40 minutes or 45 minutes because yeah, it was quite easy for me at least, and the ear is quite easy. So I started by pulling out the geometry that makes the ear. So I masked everything except of the ear, and I started sculpting the ear because ear is not like close to, it's not 100% like close to your head. Is actually you have some gap between it, so that's why I'm making the gap, as you can see from behind. And I just played with the ear. I looked at the references and tried to mirror everything. And again, I watched Jan's sculpt video because he has a video about it. And I also looked at ArtStation and Sketchfab to search for some ears in 3D, so it will be easier for me. Here I'm just making the hole in the ear to be bigger because it will look more stylized and I will have more space to add some detail. And here you can see that I make the first mistake, that the detail that I sculpted just before it is too outside and the hole was not deep enough, and later I think I will change it. And here I'm just using the crease brush, etc. So I think I will leave you guys for now, and I will come back later. So goodbye. And also I'm planning to do a beginner tutorial about sculpting in Blender. Let me know if you are interested in this one. And I'm actually have a problem with making the tutorial about Fortnite pump shotgun, but I will make it, so don't worry. But I still don't know when I will publish it. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so here I am again, and here I'm at the phase, the stage of retopologing everything and just refining the shapes again. And I thought to myself that there's no point on sitting like 25 more minutes uh, on making everything looks perfect, because I had everything basic shapes placed correctly. I learned how to make the ear, like the basic shapes also, and the details. And there's no point on sitting like 25 minutes to adjust like the smallest details that no one will see. So I just stopped sculpting and I started making the scene render. So you'll just see me doing the render, and that will be it for this time-lapse, guys, and see you guys in the next one. And also please tell me what you want to see, guys, because I don't have any ideas, and I want to make the content that you will watch, guys. Yeah, so goodbye, have a nice day, and see you in the next one. Bye.